Hello, you young whippersnappers. My name is Ron from Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. How's it going? And today we're going to talk about Snagit and why I love Snagit. In the description, you're going to see a link, a short link like this. Click on it, and you'll be brought to this page here. This is Snagit. There's a 30-day free trial. So go ahead and free download. It's going to prompt you to create an account. With that account, you'll get 2 gigabytes of cloud storage for your captures if you want to store them there. So once that's done, get the program up and running. I'm just going to start here. You can Control Alt X. Okay, what you have to do here is you have to set this program up. Now you have 3. You have all-in-one, which gives you all the different features of capturing an image and video. You have image, which have a scrolling window, means you can capture a window that's like 3 or 4 pages long, or capture it in one capture. You have the option of where to share it. I use screencasts for sharing those captures. Once again, you get 2 gigabytes of free data, and then you have the video. So, and the video can be used for all kinds of things. I'll show you right now. It's oh, before I do that, let me get back here. I'm going to get ahead of myself. You want to set this up so your capture button is the print screen. I'll show you one in a minute. Okay, let's do a quick video here of something in Audacity. Okay, so let's hit the print screen. It brings up the crosshairs. And you can say, just say you have a problem with this software. So you tell, we want to click on a video. And record. And then what you can do is do your, you can have audio on. And you can say, when I'm in Audacity, every time I go to effects, I can't get proper settings in the graphic EQ. And then you would stop it. Brings up an editor. And then you can play it back. You can cut out parts of it. And then you can share the link. The different, we're sharing right now to screencasts. But let's talk about image capture and why this program is amazing when it comes to image capture. So here you have your 3 here, all-in-one, image and video. I have it set to all-in-one, and let's see a capture of a image that is very, very difficult to capture the old way. See, here's a picture here of a flower, and you right click on it. It's going to save. You can't save the image. It saves the link as a WebP page, but there's no way to capture this unless you press print screen and capture the whole screen and then go back and enter it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to capture this by hitting the print screen. Print screen. Capture. And here's your image here. You get it a little bit lower, but we just sort of, I'll showing what's happening here. Okay, so here's an image here. Now in your library here, you can keep all these in your library. I got piles of different image captures in there, and there's a couple other ones with my company I used to have. Just keeps everything at hand. So what I do when I'm cruising the internet, say I'm building up an email when I send someone, I just press print screen, highlight the video, click capture, and keep on going on doing what I'm doing. Because all I do have to do to refer back to, say I wanted to send this image somewhere, I would go in and say, copy, right click, and paste it in an email. So, and you can do that with other image capture programs like in Firefox, The program is awesome. Once you get used to this program, you'll never go back to doing image capture the old way. In this editor, you have options. You can add text, shapes, arrows. If you want to do an arrow, there's all kinds of stuff you can do in here. Eraser. But my main reason for doing this is strictly for image capture. So you can go ahead and capture. Here's the video we captured that will remain in here forever unless you want to upload to the screencast. There it will remain forever. So just touching on the basis of, I don't want to go too long on Snagit. I'm really honest, guys. I don't pump something I don't believe. Like Production Crate, I pump Production Crate because I believe in their service. And Snagit is another piece of software I really highly recommend you have. When you start using it, you'll never go back to. You wonder how you ever got. You got by without it. It's just a brilliant piece of software. So just leave that as it is right now. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be too. Link below.